Hello everyone, I am Dr. CR, MBBS, MD in Health Informatics. I am also specialized in clinical terminology and medical coding. Medical terminology MCQs 3. Cardiovascular system, Part A, medical word elements. Question number 1. The prefix brady in medical terms like bradycardia means A. Fast, B. Irregular, C. Slow, D. Painful. Think the answer. The correct answer is C, slow. When you take other answers, tachy mean fast. For example, tachycardia, fast heartbeat. Dis or mean irregular. For example, dysrhythmia or arrhythmia. That means irregular heart rhythm. Brady is slow. For example, bradycardia. Analgesia is painful. For example, analgesia is absence of pain. Question number 2. The combining form plebo refers to which structure? A. Artery, B. Capillary, C. Vein, D. Heart. Think the answer. The correct answer is C, vein. The combining form plebo and sometimes veno means vein. Arterio means artery and cardio means heart. Let's see some example. Phlebotomy means the practice of drawing blood from a vein. That's called venipuncture. Phlebitis means inflammation of a vein. Question number 3. Which suffix mean enlargement? A. Itis, B. Megaly, C. Oma, D. Pathy. Think the answer. The correct answer is B. Megaly. The suffix megaly means enlargement. Example, cardiomegaly. Itis means inflammation, oma means tumor, and pathy means disease. Let's see some example. Cardiomegaly is an enlargement of heart. Hepatomegaly is enlargement of liver. Question number 4. The combining form athero specifically relates to A. Muscle, B. Plaque or fatty substance, C. Vessel, D. Clot. Think the answer. The correct answer is B. Plaque or fatty substance. The combining form athero means plaque or fatty substance, often seen in conditions like atherosclerosis. Myo relates to muscle and vaso or angio relate to a vessel. Question number 5. Which combining form means chest? A. Thoraco, B. Abdomino, C. Pneumo, D. Angio. Think the answer. The correct answer is A. Thoraco. The combining form thoraco is derived from the Greek word thorax, meaning chest or breastplate. Let's see some example. Thoracotomy means a surgical incision into the chest wall. Thoracocentesis means puncture of the chest wall to withdraw fluid. Question number 6. The suffix stenosis in terms like arterial stenosis means A. Abnormal hardening, B. Pain or suffering, C. Loss of blood flow, D. Abnormal narrowing. Think the answer. The correct answer is D. Abnormal narrowing. Let's see other answers. Sclero or sclerosis is abnormal hardening. For example, arteriosclerosis. Algia or pathy mean pain or suffering. For example, neuralgia or neuropathy. Isco is loss of blood flow. For example, ischemia is a restriction of blood supply. Stenosis mean abnormal narrowing. For example, spinal stenosis. That means narrowing of spinal canal. Question number 7. The prefix peri in the term pericarditis mean A. Below, B. Within, C. Around, D. Against. Think the answer. The correct answer is C, around. The prefix peri means surrounding or around. The pericardium is the sac surrounding the heart, and pericarditis its inflammation. Let's see other answers. Hypo or sub, it means below. For example, hypodermics, that means below the skin. Endo or intra mean within. For example, endocardium, that means inner lining of the heart. Peri mean around in the pericarditis. Anti or contra means against. For example, antibiotic, that is against life or bacteria. Question number 8. The combining form vaso and sometimes angio means A. Clot, B. Vessel, C. Valve, D. Oxygen. Think the answer. The correct answer is B. Vessel. The combining form vaso or angio means blood vessel. Example, vasoconstriction. Thrombo means clot and valvulo means valve. Question number 9. The combining form hemo or hemato means A. Vessel, B. Bone, C. Blood, D. Muscle. Think the answer. The correct answer is C. Blood. The combining form hemo or hemato refers to blood. Example, hematology. Vaso or angio means vessel. Let's see some example. For hemo, example, hemorrhage, it means a rapid flow of blood. Hemato, example, hematology, it's the study of blood and blood disorders. Hematoma is a mass or collection of clotted blood. Question number 10. Which term means formation or production of blood cells? A. Hemolysis, B. Hemostasis, D. Hemopoiesis, D. Hematocrit. Think the answer. The correct answer is C. Hemopoiesis. Hemopoiesis combines hemo, that means blood, and poiesis means formation or production. Hemolysis means destruction or breakdown of red blood cells. Hemostasis means stopping or controlling of blood flow through clotting. Hematocrit means a laboratory test that measures the percentage of red blood cells in the total blood volume. Question number 11. The suffix graphy in echocardiography means A. Instrument for recording, B. Process of recording, C. Record or picture, D. Measurement of. Think the answer. The correct answer is B. Process of recording. The suffix graphy means the process of recording the procedure itself. The suffix gram is the resulting record or picture, and graph is the instrument used for recording. Question number 12. The combining form arterio means A. Vein, B. Capillary, C. Artery, D. Valve. Think the answer. The correct answer is C. Artery. The combining form arterio means artery, plebo means vein, capillo means capillary. Question number 13. The prefix endo in endocardium means A. Outer, B. Inner or within, C. Above, D. Near. Think the answer. The correct answer is B. Inner or within. The prefix endo means inner or within. The endocardium is the thin, smooth membrane that lines the interior of the heart. Other answers: ecto or exo mean outer, for example, exocrine, that secreting outside. Endo mean inner or within, example, endoscopy, viewing inside. Epi or super mean above, for example, epidermis, outer layer of skin. Para mean near, example, paranasal, that means near the nose. Question number 14. The suffix stasis in terms like hemostasis means A. Flow or discharge, B. Standing still or stopping, C. Widening, D. Breakdown. Think the answer. The correct answer is B. Standing still or stopping. The suffix stasis means standing still or controlling or stopping. Hemostasis is the physiological process of stopping blood flow, that is bleeding. Let's check other answers. Ria or rage mean flow or discharge. For example, diarrhea mean excessive flow of feces. Ectasis or dilation mean widening. For example, bronchiectasis, it's widening of the bronchi. Lysis mean breakdown. For example, hemolysis, that is breakdown of red blood cells. Question number 15. The medical term for rapid heart rate is A. Cardiomegaly, B. Pericarditis, C. Tachycardia, D. Bradycardia. Think the answer. The correct answer is C. Tachycardia. The prefix tachy means fast or rapid, example tachycardia. The opposing prefix is brady, that means slow. Let's check other answers. Cardiomegaly means enlargement of the heart. Pericarditis means inflammation of the tissue surrounding the heart. Tachycardia means rapid heart rate. Bradycardia means slow heart rate. Question number 16. The suffix raphy means A. Surgical removal, B. Suture or surgical repair, C. Crushing, D. To view. Think the answer. The correct answer is B. Suture or surgical repair. The suffix raphy means suture or perform surgical repair. Example, cardioraphy. Let's check other answers. Ectomy means surgical removal. For example, appendectomy means removal of appendix. Tripsy means crushing. For example, lithotripsy, that is crushing of a stone. Scopy means to view. For example, endoscopy, visual examination within an organ. Question number 17. The prefix dis in medical terms like dyspnea or dysrhythmia means A. Normal or good, B. Difficult, painful or abnormal, C. Without or lack of, D. Excessive. Think the answer. The correct answer is B. Difficult, painful or abnormal. The prefix dis means difficult, painful or abnormal. U means normal, and or an means without. Question number 18. Which suffix mean blood or blood condition? A. Emia, B. Oma, C. Penia, D. Urea. Think the answer. The correct answer is A. Emia. Emia mean blood or blood condition. For example, anemia mean lack of red blood cells. Hyperglycemia mean high blood sugar. Oma mean tumor, mass or swelling. For example, carcinoma is cancerous tumor. Hematoma is mass of clotted blood. Penia means deficiency or lack of. For example, leukopenia means deficiency of white blood cells. Thrombocytopenia is low platelet count. Urea means urine or condition of urine. For example, hematuria means blood in the urine. Pyuria means pus in the urine. Question number 19. The suffix stenosis means A. Narrowing, B. Softening, C. Dilation, D. Rupture. Think the answer. The correct answer is A. Narrowing. Stenosis means narrowing or constriction, as in aortic stenosis, that means narrowing of the aortic valve. Malacia means softening. For example, osteomalacia, that is softening of bone. Ectasis means dilation. For example, bronchiectasis means widening of the bronchi. Rexis means rupture. For example, angiorexis means rupture of the blood vessel. Question number 20. The term arteriosclerosis contains the suffix sclerosis, which means A. Narrowing, B. Softening, C. Hardening, D. Dilation. Think the answer. The correct answer is C. Hardening. Sclerosis means hardening. Arteriosclerosis is the hardening of the arteries. Stenosis means narrowing. Malacia means softening. For example, osteomalacia. Ectasis means dilation. For example, bronchiectasis. Question number 21. In term pedicardiocentesis, the suffix centesis means A. Puncture to remove fluid, B. Surgical repair, C. Surgical opening, D. Recording. Think the answer. The correct answer is A. Puncture to remove fluid. For example, centesis means surgical puncture to remove fluid. Pericardiocentesis is removal of fluid from around the heart. Let's check other answers. Raphioplasty means surgical repair. For example, herniorrhaphy. Ostomy means surgical opening. For example, colostomy. Graphy means recording. For example, endocardiography. Bonus question. The combining form thrombo refers to A. Clot, B. Flow, C. Pressure, D. Plaque. Think the answer and leave the answer in the comment section. If you have any doubts or any queries, leave in the comment section, or else you can contact me through email or WhatsApp provided in the description. If you feel this channel is useful, please subscribe my channel and share with other friends. Thank you.